In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the 3D compiler underscore 43 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. And simply take note of your system type and then double click on the Chrome browser or any of the browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and then click on the folder icon. Double click on the setup file. So if you haven't installed this yet into your Windows, just simply click on I accept the license terms and conditions and click on install. But if you have already installed it, click on repair. And then once done, restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out and restart. The next thing that you can do is to perform the system file checker scan. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click run as administrator on the right pane. Search for SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, just also restart your Windows. And also make sure that your Windows is updated. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click the button right here, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.